Hiya, just letting you see Lucy before I stand up, because once I stand up she'll move. She's watching the birds in the bird feeder, the bath, eating the food. What you doing, Luce? Are they having their breakfast? Yours is in your dish. Your breakfast is in your dish. It is. Hello. I love you. Good girl. That was a nice blink. Blowing kisses. She was funny last night. She stood on the floor, had two paws here, and she was like looking out the window at the birds. Went, yeah, hey. They were having their food. Look at the daffodils off Sarah and John. They bought us last week, and they've opened lovely. You okay? You wonder what I'm doing? Hello? Just looking at the daffodils. I know the birds outside still at the table, minding their own business like you should mind yours. It's cute though, this wood pigeon. Oh, there's a robin there. Oh, did you see it fly? It's in the... It was on the post and then it went into the hedge. It'll come back. Coincidence though, because I was just about to show you my mum and dad's memorial. Hello? Are you okay? You okay, Luce? Look, Lucy. Waiting for the robin to come back now. You're staying in though, Luce. Not while the birds are feeding, you stay here. Yes, I know. Good girl. It's a lovely closey uppy. She just looks up at me. I'm about to walk away then. Just watching me, weren't you, hey? Don't know whether I showed you the candles. I've not long, 2 days ago I think it was, I replenished the tin, put all different tea lights in, and this little box I have all the melts in, and these type of candles. See? And these big candles, they're handy for these, which I haven't got lit at the moment. It's silica gel. But yeah, they're always handy. So I love my candles. Right, once again it's gone over a short, so I do apologise. It's because I've showed my candles, I think. You're still looking at the birds, Luce. Pigeon's gone on the grass now. The wood pigeon. What's she doing? She's going up to our nose. There was an easier way than that. No, she can see. She can see better that way. You can look, but you don't touch, Luce. I know, I love you. Can you go behind the blinds? Look at her. That's the closest you'll get, Luce, because you're not going out until they've gone. Look at her having a good nose. What are you doing, hey? You watching the birds in your garden? How dare they? It's okay. She's crouching so they don't see her. She's so clever, aren't you, hey? You watching the bird? There's the robin. Oh, do you know what? Just as I pressed record, it flew down. It was on the green bin. Right, just about see it on the green bin. These windows, since all that weather, the window cleaner hasn't been. Look. Right, I'll be better going outside, won't I? But they fly away when I go outside. Good girlies. Yeah, the winter cleaners are due this week, but they haven't been, so I have to do it ourselves. Right, I'm going to go now anyway. Lucy's just bird watching. On you, Lucy. Look at her. Right, I'm going to get some, I bought some of the robin seed yesterday, so I'm going to put some of that out separately. Because the robin keeps flitting, look at that. You're doing a little chatter. The robin keeps flitting from under the hedge. You jealous? It's the birds. You look but don't touch. It's back. I'm going to go get some food for it, I think. Maybe a separate video. Thanks for watching. See ya. Good girlies. I'll leave Lucy bird watching. See ya.